since these people, since our slaves, are protecting themselves, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and tax them on unrealized gains. Because if we can't take it from them from their savings, we're gonna take it from them from their investings, so they can stay oppressed. And that is tyranny. Hey guys, welcome back to our weekly newsletter, and I want to make a real quick update on what's been talked about, and it's kind of crazy to me. So they're talking about taxing unrealized gains. So for those that don't know what that means, if you own a home and the home appreciated in value, the appreciation on that home is considered an unrealized gain. So you didn't sell it, you didn't realize it, so you don't pay tax on it. So they're talking about taxing unrealized gains. They're talking about for homes, they're referring stocks, crypto, investment real estate. So this concept to me is crazy. One, it's never been done in history that I know of. There's no other country that does this. And I just find it very unethical and extremely damaging to our economy, the global economy, and the confidence in this country. So the fact that they even said it is insane to me. Do I think that it is possible? I think it's very improbable that it would happen, because we went through a war with England over a 3% tax on tea. What would people do if they realize they owe 15 to 35 to 50% on their home value appreciation, or their stock value appreciation, or their investment properties, or crypto, or whatnot? I believe that there would be significant backlash. So I hope they're just saying things to rile people up and to kind of, I don't know what they're doing, but it's insane if they think they're gonna tax people on unrealized gains. Now why do I think this is insane? And just hear this out. I do understand there's people that say we have to pay tax, and I get that, right? I understand we have to pay tax. The concept of that, right? How they're doing it is definitely wrong, but the concept I understand. This is the point. The federal government made our currency a fiat currency. It's not backed by anything. And then in that process, they decided we're gonna print as much money as we want. And the reality is they put it on any project that they want and give it to their buddies, and it doesn't truly benefit our country. We get such a small sliver of the amount of money they're printing. Every time they print money, they're stealing money from savers. That's what happens. Because if you only have let's just say, this is the amount of total value a country has, and it's associated to like $1 million, and then they print and they make it $2 million. It is the same value. So it's not like there's almost really a benefit. So in that sense, all the money is really only worth half. That will cause hyperinflation. That's what we're going through right now, hyperinflation. Now, the reality should be, if you print money, the reason you get a loan is so you can get cash flowing assets to do a significant add to infrastructure, to the country, so there can be additional production made from that investment. But the reality, as you guys can see, there's really not being much done with this money, and they're not getting the value, the return, the job growth that justifies the spending that they do. As you can see, so many people in Congress are getting rich, but the average individual isn't. So when they're stealing from people, stealing from savers with this hyperinflation, you then are now smart enough to know, all right, you know what, we gotta buy assets. We have to protect ourselves. I'm gonna invest in real estate. I'm gonna invest in the stock market. I'm gonna invest in real hard assets, in crypto and oil and gas, because I wanna fight this. I wanna protect my family from this. And then they decide, well, since these people, since our slaves are protecting themselves, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and tax them on unrealized gains. Because if we can't take it from them from their savings, we're going to take it from them from their investings so they can stay oppressed. And that is tyranny. So with that being said, I'm going to continue fighting for us against inflation and taxes. Stay tuned.